Let's solve this complex fraction step by step. First, let's simplify each fraction in the numerator and denominator. 6 divided by 12 simplifies to 1/2. 15 divided by 25 simplifies to 3/5. 15 divided by 30 simplifies to 1/2. And 45 divided by 15 simplifies to 3. Now, let's rewrite our expression with these simplified fractions. In the numerator, we have 1/2 times 3/5, and in the denominator, we have 1/2 times 3. Let's multiply the fractions in the numerator. 1/2 times 3/5 equals 3/10. In the denominator, 1/2 times 3 equals 3/2. Now our expression becomes 3/10 divided by 3/2. Remember, when dividing fractions, we multiply by the reciprocal. So this is equivalent to 3/10 times 2/3. Let's multiply these fractions. 3 times 2 is 6, and 10 times 3 is 30. 6/30 simplifies to 1/5. Therefore, our complex fraction simplifies to 1/5.